Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today we will learn how to download and install Python on Windows. Before I download and install Python, let's check out if we have Python in our system. Open command prompt and type Python -version. Python was not found. That means we don't have Python in our system. Now open Chrome browser, go to Google search and type download Python 3. You will see several options, but make sure go to python.org. This is the official site. Click download Python. Click download Python. Whatever latest version you see, download latest version. After you download, it will be available on a download folder like this. I already download, so this is my download folder. It's appear here. Now we are going to do the installation. Double click Python 3.10. Click customize installation. Click next. Here, the customized installation location should be like this, but we want it should be under C drive and programs. In order to do that, select install Python 3.10 for all user. Also, we want to add Python to environment variables. If we do not do right now, we have to add manually. So let's select this. So make sure you select add Python to the environment variables and install Python to 3.10. So let's check it out. Let's go to this location and see if we have any Python there. Open program files, local drive. So this is our C drive. Click program file. We don't have any Python here. So after installation, Python should be copied here. Let's go to the installation page. Click install. Click yes. It will take few seconds. So installation has been completed and it is successful. Let me close. And now if you see the Python 3.10 is here. Now let's go open command prompt again. Python -version. See, it has been added to environment variable and we are able to see Python 3.10.8. Thank you.